The first application on this list is Red. Red is a photo editor application inspired by the film retro photographs and neon discos of the 80s. You can add dark colored filters, gradients, shapes and text that are generally red in color. The application has more than 10 vintage filters created by this gradient map that stimulates night lighting, for example red lights, Miami filter, golden hours and more. These are unique duotone filters and can be added on any photograph. Make sure to use a bright photo for better results. During the lockdown, headphone is the perfect app to listen to music, podcast, FM radio and covers by independent singers. I have listened to a lot of motivational speeches for free while working out and editing some of these videos. You can also record your own audio, share it and grow your fan base. You will also be able to download songs like Hindi romantic or Indian motivational speeches offline so you can listen without internet later on. All of this is available for free, which is a really good gift. LitWaltz is a new app on the Play Store, but that doesn't make it look less professional. The user interface design is modern. It is easy to navigate through the different tabs on the top like the trending tab, new, popular and categories. The image quality is the highest and you can save these photographs on your smartphone or set them as home screen or lock screen wallpaper through the app. The wallpapers are crisp and look dope. You will find thousands of high quality wallpapers in this app, so just try it and you will love it. The super status bar is very helpful when you need to perform certain tasks like taking a screenshot or reduce the screen brightness quickly with gestures. So after enabling the super status bar, you can take a screenshot by long pressing on the top of your phone's display, generally on the notification panel. To increase or decrease the brightness, you just have to slide your finger on the top, and also to turn off the display you just have to double tap on the top. You can also customize the gestures in the settings of the app and also customize the main slider, change your status bar and more. A super useful application for single-handed users too. With panels, you can launch any app and shortcut from this quick panel. Panel is a launcher on the edge of your screen. You can add applications, shortcuts, contacts and more. This saves time if you have installed a ton of applications on your phone. Yes, instead of scrolling through hundreds of applications, you can always search the application name in the search bar, but it will take time too. Panels is so easy. You just have to slide on this bar to open the applications and shortcuts. Start multitasking with panel and be productive. The 30-day fitness challenge is the application you need to stay fit at home. Gyms won't open in months, so it is the only option you have to work out at home without a proper gym trainer. And yes, it is absolutely free to use. I have been following some of these workouts and trust me, if you're getting bored at home, do some push-ups, it will be worth it. Choose the plan, start working out by following the animations and videos. Don't forget to take the 30-day challenge and let me in the comment section what do you think, and let me know about your workout experience in the comment section. Best quotes and status is a time saver for you if you post on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter on a daily basis. You can download or copy these quotes on any mood or type. There are ads here and there, but apart from that, it is free to use. I also found this feature interesting. When you tap on a photo, the background photo will automatically change and you can download a quote with the background image of your choice. This is the best part. On the app home screen, there are a lot of categories which makes it easier to get an appropriate quote quickly. I am sure you will like this application, so definitely check it out. Phoenix Icons is a burning hot icon pack. This design is just perfect. It is modern, looks breathtaking and has vivid color. Hands down one of the best icon packs in the Play Store. This is my favorite icon pack from now and I'm gonna use it with the Nova launcher. The icons have a rough edge which I like and it is colorful but not cartoonish. It have a classy look and you must customize your Android phone with this Phoenix icon pack. Send me your setups on my IG Bro Smart YouTube and if I like it I will definitely feature in my next video. I found the Yandex keyboard recently. I have been using it for a couple of days and I never went back to my default keyboard app. The key placement, haptic feedback and the design are just perfect for me. The keyboard is not fancy at all. It has a simple design which makes it shine out. And oh yeah, the emojis are abundant. Using this keyboard is super easy. If you have used the Google keyboard, you will surely get used to it. I would recommend all of you to check it out and use Yandex keyboard at least for a day and let me in the comment section about your experience. I would love to know about it. That Level Again is an offline game that you must install and play while staying at home. Some of you were asking me to feature a game that everyone can play. That Level Again is a simple game that doesn't need an internet connection to run. You need to think to plan out the moves and safely guide the character through the difficult terrains. You just have to save the character from hitting the obstacles and just level up. It's a fun game. I have been playing it since my childhood and you should definitely try it. That was my video guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, why don't you smash the like button and also subscribe to BroSmart for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.